G'day everyone, and welcome back to the Ratty Workshop YouTube channel. Today's episode, we're taking this thing out for a spin. So let's take a look at what I've done to get it ready, and then yeah, off we go. Alright, so we'll start in here with what's been changing. So not an awful lot. I have been doing quite a few things with the vacuum lines, just to be sure that, you know, they're all good. So as you can see, I've put some plugs on a lot of these. I don't know if they'll pass already because it's all like for your what's known, all this crap, all your pollution stuff, but we'll see how we go. But yeah, the only thing I've really changed in the engine bay is just moving this plug from here. Sorry, that plug that I was just showing you, that one there, came from here, and we've switched it around. So now we've got the tree on the back, so our brake booster is running on a direct vacuum. Doesn't have to run all the way around to the front and look shit. The other thing is I've got this one here, which goes down to our modulator on the Trimatic. So that's kind of all that's really changed around here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. So what still needs to happen is this has to be cleaned up. This looks like shit and it's hanging down, so not doing the most good looking job. I have to get a new dipstick because this one doesn't really line up with our block. It is the right one, but I think it's just for normal, what do you call them, manifolds. So I'll get a new one, see how we go. Then that's pretty much it for in here, except for a washer bottle, which are like 40 bucks. So just looks exactly the same as that, but we'll sit over there and run it up over. So that's pretty much engine bay done. So we are almost ready for a roadie in terms of engine bay. Very small stuff to do still, so that's all good in there. Then interior wise, as you can see, it still needs a bit of work. I have taken the dash apart again since that video that we did, but yeah, it's looking the part again, so I have to put the radio back in. Then all it really needs interior wise is some carpet, new headlight switch, the hood latch puller, obviously a seat cover because this one's a bit torn up. Oh, here he is again, Oscar, donkey cat. He's just chilling, he's getting all the heat from the engine. So what else? We've got some weather channels to do still. A few more rubber things, and then she's ready for a roadie, so not much at all to go. I do have to make up a rear plate thingo to hold in our piece here, holding the tailgate. But yeah, looking sweet. I'll show you what the dash looks like real quick. So we've got the temp gauge working, that's working well. And our oil pressure and battery charge. Speedo still needs to be hooked up, and our fuel gauge still needs to be hooked up, but looking pretty mint. Should be getting a new steering wheel soon, so that'll be good as well. But other than that, we're good to go for a drive, so I'll put you over to the clips now. Enjoy. So about 3-4 years ago, that's where she used to sit, sitting right there. Found her and picked her up, and we'll have a look at her now. So there you go. She sounds pretty good. She goes pretty hard. But yeah, definitely need to get that carby done up still. Because it's got a bit of a flat spot when you drive it. A little bit, you give it the guts and it just kind of goes, and then gets going. So have to, rebuild that. Probably do it after the roadie though, because it does run, it does what it's supposed to, so should be right for now. So yeah, not much to go on it. Engine bay wise, the wash bottle, clean up some more things. Interior still to go. So hopefully next week's video, I'll be doing majority of the interior. So the carpet, seat cover, maybe finish off that dash, and then some other little things on the side. But as you can see, carpet's in. Still waiting on the seat cover. Don't know if it'll be in on time. Hopefully it is. If it is on time, then the video will come out. But if we don't have a seat cover in time, then I don't think I'll do a video, as you know, just installing carpet's a bit boring for a whole video. But anyways, I think that's it for today's video. So hopefully you enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know that you like the video. And hopefully we'll be doing a full roadie very, very soon. So till then, have a good one guys, and I'll catch you later.